Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with my design team package from Queenacraft. I'm so excited. And guys, just think in your mind, Halloween, you know how I am. And see, I've got my nails going on for Halloween. And I want you to look at this gorgeous ring that 007 Bond girl, which is Miss Diana, hey girl, that she got me for my birthday. So thank you, girlie, so much. Isn't it beautiful? It just goes perfect with my nails. Love it. So let me show you what I've got. I'm so excited to play with these. And don't forget, guys, that if you use my coupon code Diane, you'll save 10% on your next order, and I would truly appreciate it. And I will leave all the links to these products down below. So let's get in here and let's see. They always package everything so nice. So the first thing I got, they have got tons and tons of sequences. And these are spiders. Sorry about the glare. They're spiders. And here are some orange pumpkins. Cute. And here are some purple witches. Aren't those cute? I love them. And then here is some cute little ghosts. And I should have got the skulls and stuff like that, but yeah, that's a coming. I'm just telling you. So look for projects with these. Super, super fun. And this right here is a square hollow landscape. Come on, hands, work with me. Die. And I want you to look how pretty this is. How pretty and big this die is. Look at that. Let me get my ruler. It is 5.5 inches tall and right at 1 5/8 wide. That would be pretty for a bookmark. Good idea. But isn't that pretty with the butterflies? So there is that. And guys, look at this. This is called the pumpkin tree die. And look how stinking cute that is. And look, it's as big as my hand. Look how cute and just ornery them little pumpkins look. This is right at 3 1/4 inches wide and 4 3/4 inches long. Isn't that adorable? There's these little mean ones right here, and then there's this cute little sweet one that's just a smiling saying, yeah, I'm a rose between two thorns. It's so cute. So I got that. And I've been wanting to do some like mixed media, and they have these mixed background stamps. See, look at all this. Look here. This one has actually got bees on it. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And these are perfect background stamps to do some mixed media. So we'll get our mixed media on here really soon. And this one right here is called the Butterfly Branch Die. And I want you to look how beautiful this die is. Isn't it gorgeous? It's got the branch down here and these butterflies here. Gorgeous. And this one is a good size die too. Looks like from tip to tip, it's right at about 4 1/8 inches wide. And 3 7/8 inches long. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, love that. My mind is already going crazy on what I'm going to do. And these, oh my word, these are called the 2 ghost dies. And I want you to look at these little critters. They're just put together, but there's 2. Look at them. Rotten little critters they are. And this one here is 3 1/4 inches wide and right at 3 inches tall. And then his little counterpart here is almost, well, it's probably 2 3/4 inches wide, and what, 3 3/8 inches long. Are they not adorable? I mean, so stinking cute. I love them. And guys, when you order from them, you get some beautiful, beautiful bags that you can reuse. See, look at these. And you can reuse them. So don't forget that either. And this, see the beautiful bag? This right here, this is the Music Elements dies. And look, there's a saxophone, some music notes, a guitar. I guess you'd call that a little harp. And is that a French horn maybe? And all these music notes. Isn't that beautiful? Those would make some pretty 3x3 cards, I think. So this is the Music Elements die. And this die set is called the Combination Label Dies. Come on, work with me. Work with me. And look what all you get with this die set. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 label dies. And they are, I think they're about the same size, if not just barely different. So it's almost 3 inches tall and 1 1/4 inches wide. Let's see, that one's 1. So I bet they're almost the same, but look how cute and the variety that you get, guys. How stinking cute, and so many possibilities. These would be good for Christmas tags. Yep, that's what they would be since it's Christmas in July. And this adorable die set is called a Halloween cross die. Come on, Nils. And look, it actually comes with this neat fence. I love this fence. And then it's got this like for a scarecrow. And the scarecrow has a pumpkin head. So look how cute that is. Guys, I'm revving up for Halloween. I'm just telling you. I'm loving, loving, loving these. Alrighty, so that's the Halloween cross die. And it's like a little scarecrow with a pumpkin head. And this die set is called the Vintage Film Die. And these are super, super cute. And when I was looking at these, I thought, oh, you could make these into a shaker. Because you get 2 sets. You get the bottom layer and then the film. You can use them separately. It's a good set die. It's bigger than my hand. And it is 5 1/8 long. And the layering piece is almost 1 3/8 inches wide. And then the film strip is right at 1 1/4 inches wide. That would make a beautiful, I mean, on cards or tags or anything. Super fun. So there is that one. And guys, these are new. And these are called the Medallion dies. They've got 2 sets, like an A and a B. And I've left both of these sets, the links down below. And look how cute these Medallion dies are. Adorable. Adorable. And actually, these have layering pieces. You've got an inside and then an outside scallop. And then you've got this one that's just got one little flag and then the one piece here. So this one is right at 2 1/8 inches wide. I bet it's about the same, yep, tall. And then your flag that's going to go behind it is 1 1/2 inches by almost 1 1/2 inch. And then this one has got the 2 flags for the bottom. And the largest piece is right at 2 1/4. I bet it's about 2 1/4, 2 1/4. Isn't that adorable? I love those. So those are going to be super fun to play with. And let me. And they always send a little something that is super kind of them. Thank you so much. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. They have some of the neatest stuff, guys. Here is some super cute stickers that come in this, and you can use these. They have tons of these, and I don't think my nails is going to let me get into them right now, but they're super, super cute. And there's like 46 stickers in there. Oh, well, here, this one's coming out the bottom, so I can, oh, look at that butterfly sticker, guys. See how cute these are? Tons of them in there. So there's some stickers. And, oh, here is some vintage stickers. Like for Christmas. How stinking cute are these? Oh, my goodness. I love these. Or Valentine's Day. Super cute. And you always get a card that says after service. And it's got their email on it and all of their social medias. So awesome. And you can reuse that. And look, they always give you a little notebook, the cherry blossom. Isn't that beautiful? And I use these like crazy. Oh, look at these. Said before. Have a good day. Said before stickers. Aren't those adorable? Oh, I love those. You can put labels and you could reuse the packaging. Love it. Ooh, I have really started using my embossing die or embossing folders again, and here is an embossing folder for a it's got butterflies on it. And you know what, that would be perfect with either this over it, or where's my other butterfly? Yep, branch. That would be gorgeous. Perfect. Oh, look at these stamps. Handcrafted since 1997. Quality goods. Love those. Home photographer. Oh, I love these. Sorry, there's a glare. Isn't those beautiful? Ooh, now look here. This stamps would go perfect with those music dies, would they not? That is gorgeous. Love those. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, look here. Oh no, get out of the city. Ah, I'm so excited. Look at these. These are oh, I can't believe that I have just lost my train of thought. Guys, you're gonna have to forgive me. This is where stencils. Oh my word, help my time. Help my time, help my time. These are stencils, and you know what? All you do is you can use some glitter paste with these. All right, let me tell you what we're going to do. These are, oh, look at the skeleton. Oh my goodness, look at the witches. They're having their brew. And then there is the cauldron. How stinking cute are these? And look at this. Oh my word. I love these. With the paw prints. And see, these will go perfect. Like with my Halloween dies. We are going to have some fun. We're going to get our mixed media on. Woohoo! I am so excited. Oh, and they have included a card. Well, how neat is that? Oh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. I love it. With the envelope that I can send out and reuse. So see, Queenacraft is very kind and their products are wonderful, guys. And let me tell you, we're going to have some fun with this stuff. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I pray that God blesses each and every one of you. And you guys stay safe. Thank you for hanging with me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.